Big action in Gurdaspur. Police post blast 3 pro-Khalistani terrorists shot dead in a joint operation. Days after protest kills 2 Congress workers, Rahul Gandhi will visit Maharashtra's Parvani to meet the families. War of words breaks out over Rahul's visit as the BJP calls it drama by the Congress leader for vote bank appeasement. Mega showdown after Arvind Kejriwal announces schemes for women and the elderly as the BJP asks, what about the promises made by the party during Lok Sabha? In a deadly plane crash, 10 people killed and over 15 injured after a small plane crashes into shops in Brazil. Let's begin with big breaking updates coming in from UP. In a joint operation by the UP police and the Punjab police, 3 Khalistani terrorists have been shot dead. 3 Khalistani terrorists have been killed in an encounter in Pilibhit. These terrorists were involved in throwing grenades at a police outpost in Gurdaspur of Punjab. The incident had taken place on the 19th of December. Now, the Punjab police along with the Pilibhit police have cordoned off the area completely and the investigations are underway. So the police officials have encountered 3 Khalistani terrorists belonging to the Khalistan Commando Force. They've been killed in Uttar Pradesh. These Khalistani terrorists are accused of allegedly attacking a police post in Punjab's Gurdaspur district. They've been killed in an encounter with the police in UP's Pilibhit district. My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adib, it's a joint operation where 3 Khalistani terrorists have been killed. What are the details of how the operation took place?
Well, Pratibha, see, first of all, the Punjab police gave information to Pilibhit police that there are 3 suspects that could be hiding in Pilibhit borders, and these 3 suspects, they are accused of throwing grenades at a police outpost in Gurdaspur. Upon receiving this intel and in the information, the Pilibhit police immediately sealed off the entire borders of Pilibhit district. They cordoned off the area and started the search operation for the suspects. One of the police vehicle responded to the police query that they have spotted 3 suspects on a bike heading towards the canal area of Pilibhit, and all the police team diverted to that particular area. They warned those suspects to surrender before police, but those 3 terrorists, they opened fire at the police team, and in retaliation they were shot by the police. They were rushed to the community health center in Pilibhit where doctors have declared them dead. Now the police have begun the investigation. Police have also recovered 2 AK-47s and 2 Glock pistols from their possessions, and what the police sources are saying is that they were planning something big, and that's why they were carrying a large amount of live cartridges and such sophisticated weapons with them, such as AK-47s and Glock pistols. So now the police will be investigating further into this matter, but for as of now, all these 3 terrorists belonging to these 3 Khalistani terrorists, they have been shot dead by Uttar Pradesh police in a joint operation by UP police and Punjab police. Pratibha.
Okay, all right, Adib and Poviet, request you to stay with us. Amita is also joining us with the details of what the police officials have said on the entire encounter incident. Yes, Amita.
Right, Pratibha, this is what the DGP Punjab Police has to say. I'm just going to quickly quote from that as far as what the breakthrough is all about against the Pakistan-sponsored Khalistan Zindabad force. The KZF, a terror module, a joint operation of the UP police and the Punjab police that has led to an encounter with 3 module members who fired at the police party. This terror module is involved in grenade attacks at the police establishments in border areas of Punjab. The encounter that has taken place in the jurisdiction of PS Puranpur Pilibhit between the joint police teams of Pilibhit and Punjab, and 3 module members were involved in the grenade attack on a police post in Gurdaspur. The injured persons have been immediately taken to the Puranpur for urgent medical treatment to the CHC, and investigation which is in progress to unveil the entire terror module. Recovery that has also been made, that has been mentioned, Pratibha, were 2 AK rifles and 2 G-block pistols. That 2 Glock pistols, I beg your pardon, that have also been recovered as far as these suspects have been concerned, who have now are in the custody of the Punjab police.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. We have a reaction coming in from the police officials as well, who gave details of how the encounter unfolded. Let's take a look.
कमरिया पॉइंट जो पूरनपुर थाना क्षेत्र में पड़ता है, वहां पर तैनात पुलिस पिकेट ने यह बताया कि एक बाइक सवार 3 संदिग्ध नवयुवक जिनके पास कुछ संदिग्ध वस्तुएं होना प्रतीत होता है, वो तेजी से बाइक चलाकर, खतरनाक तरीके से बाइक चलाकर जनपद पीलीभीत की तरफ गए हैं। तत्काल पंजाब पुलिस की टीम और हमारे थाना पूरनपुर पुलिस प्रभारी ने उनका पीछा किया। इन्होंने पुलिस पर फायर शुरू कर दिया। जवाबी फायरिंग में तीनों आतंकवादी घायल हुए हैं, उन्हें सीएचसी पूरनपुर भेजा गया है। उनके पास से 2 AK-47, 2 फॉरेन मेड ग्लॉक पिस्टल और भारी मात्रा में एम्यूनिशन बरामद हुआ है। उनके बारे में जो बातें बताई गई हैं पंजाब पुलिस के द्वारा कि इनका कुछ फॉरेन कनेक्शन भी है, उसके संबंध में पूरी वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Poviet is also on the broadcast with us. Poviet, the 3 Khalistani terrorists who have been killed belong to the Khalistan Commando Force. What are the details of these 3 individuals who have been killed in an encounter in UP?
So right in a very significant breakthrough, which was a joint team effort of Uttar Pradesh Police and Punjab Police, which engaged in an encounter with the 3 notorious criminals in the Puranpur area of Pilibhit. So the details of the criminal are such as Gurvinder Singh, 25, who is son of Gurdev Singh, a resident of Gurdaspur only. Then the other criminal, the second criminal is Virender Singh, 23, who is the son of Ranjit Singh and again a resident of district Gurdaspur. And the third criminal who has been shot dead, Jasonpreet Singh alias Pratap Singh, is the resident of Gurdaspur. So during the encounter, all 3 suspects have sustained injuries and later they were shifted to the hospital where they were declared dead. And right now the items recovered are 2 AK rifles, 2 Glock pistols and a significant cache of ammunition. So the operation highlights the swift and coordination efforts of the Punjab Police and Uttar Pradesh Police. So let me tell you that these criminals were involved in the grenade and the bomb attack on a police post in Gurdaspur district of Punjab recently. So we could say that this was a very significant breakthrough for both of the police parties.
It was based on intel that the police officials arrived there. The terrorists opened fire at the police team and in retaliation, they were shot at. Thank you for joining us.